Welcome back to Road Hunter PK. Stop scrolling for just 10 seconds, because Honda may have just built the biggest surprise of 2026. Imagine getting a motorcycle with Fireblade DNA, premium Öhlins suspension, Brembo brakes, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge electronics, without paying European superbike prices. Sounds impossible? Well, meet the 2026 Honda CB1000 Hornet SP. And trust me, the biggest surprise isn't even the horsepower. Let's find out why. From the very first look, the Hornet SP demands attention. The sharp LED projector headlight, muscular fuel tank, exposed steel frame, and gold Öhlins rear shock create a motorcycle that looks fast even when it's standing still. Whether it's parked outside a coffee shop or waiting at a traffic light, this bike turns heads instantly. But looks only matter if the performance lives up to them. Fortunately, Honda didn't disappoint. Power comes from a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine derived from Honda's legendary Fireblade platform, producing around 155 horsepower. This engine delivers an incredible balance of smoothness, speed, and everyday usability. Start the engine, and you'll hear a refined growl. Twist the throttle, and that growl transforms into an unforgettable high-revving scream that only a Honda inline-4 can produce. This isn't just acceleration. It's pure adrenaline. The best part? The power delivery never feels intimidating. Cruising through city traffic feels smooth and predictable, while open highways unlock a completely different personality. Every gear encourages you to keep riding just a little farther. Now let's talk about handling. This is where the SP version separates itself from the standard model. Honda equips it with premium Öhlins rear suspension and fully adjustable Showa front forks. The result? Exceptional stability during high-speed cornering and impressive comfort over rough roads. Whether you're carving through mountain twisties or commuting to work, the motorcycle feels planted, balanced, and confidence-inspiring. Stopping power is equally impressive. The Hornet SP features Brembo Stylema front brake calipers, delivering sharp braking performance with outstanding feel at the lever. Because real performance isn't only about going fast. It's about knowing you can stop exactly when you need to. Technology also receives a serious upgrade. The full-color TFT display is bright, responsive, and easy to read in direct sunlight. You get multiple riding modes: traction control, wheelie control, engine brake adjustment, smartphone connectivity, and customizable rider settings. Everything is designed to make every ride smarter, safer, and more enjoyable. Now here's the question most riders ask. What about everyday comfort? Surprisingly, despite its aggressive appearance, the riding position remains comfortable enough for daily use. The handlebars offer excellent leverage. The seat provides solid support. Wind pressure remains manageable at highway speeds. That means this isn't just a weekend toy. It's a motorcycle you can genuinely enjoy every single day. And now comes the biggest surprise: the value. Many European naked bikes offer premium components, but they also come with premium price tags. Honda takes a different approach. Instead of asking you to spend a fortune, it combines superbike-inspired performance, premium suspension, advanced electronics, and legendary reliability into one incredibly competitive package. That's exactly why riders around the world are paying attention. Because this motorcycle doesn't just compete with Yamaha, Kawasaki, Ducati, BMW, and Triumph. It challenges the idea that premium performance always has to come with an outrageous price. Imagine an early Sunday morning. The roads are empty. The sun is just beginning to rise. You press the starter. The inline-4 comes alive. You roll onto an open highway, twist the throttle, and suddenly every corner becomes an invitation instead of an obstacle. That's the magic of the 2026 Honda CB1000 Hornet SP. It doesn't simply take you somewhere. It reminds you why you started riding in the first place. So here's today's question. If you had the choice between the Honda CB1000 Hornet SP, the Yamaha MT-09 SP, or the Kawasaki Z900, which one would you choose and why? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Road Hunter PK, and turn on notifications because we bring you the latest motorcycle reviews, future models, detailed comparisons, and riding stories from around the world. Thanks for watching. Until next time, ride smart, ride safe, and keep chasing the horizon.